welcome back to another video. So I'm just giving these nails a quick base coat. What I'm doing today is just a little, it's kind of a nude set with some daisies, little white and yellow daisies. Sorry about my dog barking, she's a little shit. So I'm going to get them in the lamp for 30 seconds, cure that base coat, and then we'll get started. This is the base colour I'm using, Madame Glam. It's called Rosy Nude. I am in love with this colour. I absolutely love it. It's just the perfect, like, nude pink. It really is. I love it. I'm using this bright yellow from Umix. One of my favourite gel polishes at the minute, these Umix are. I end up swapping this yellow because it ended up being too bright. I'm going to need a black and a white as well. Yeah, the neon yellow ended up being too bright, so I swapped it over for a different yellow, but I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm just going to get these base colours put on these nails. I'll cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds and then we'll get started. We've already started. Anyway, it's one of those days today. I'm so giddy. Get giddy when I'm tired. I think I'm tired. Right, so that's the neon yellow, and I swapped it over for this from Acre. It's just a bit more, it just went better with the nude. I think that neon just, yeah, I didn't like the look of it. Right, I'm giving these nails a quick matte top coat, the nude nails, because I want to paint some stripes and some daisies on these, and I just much prefer painting on a matte surface. So I'm just doing some yellow stripes. I'm doing the yellow stripes not wide, but wider than the black ones I'm going to do in a minute. And I'm going to paint some daisies as well. This is all just going to be gel polish painting for these two nails. So I'm just going to stick some music on and let you watch. And I'll be back when I need to be back. Right, I didn't record all the daisies because they're all the same. I just want to quickly just explain how I do these daisies. I just do some little dots like that in a circle, and then I'll use the gel polish that's in them little dots with my detailer brush and just pull them into the middle using a little detailer brush. Just pull them in like a triangle shape into the middle, and that's how I do my little itty bitty flowers. Right, that's all my gel polish painting done. I've pulled out this foil. This is from Charlie's Nail Art. I love it. It's so nice. Look at all them different butterflies. Loads of them. And it's got little bits of flowers and like silhouette butterflies. It's a really nice foil. So I've cut a couple off. I'm going to put a full one on at the top and half a one at the bottom. I'm using my McCart nail foil glue. That nail foil glue cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'll get that cured in the lamp and then we'll get these foils stuck on. So I'm going to put one at the top of the nail and the other one I'm just going to kind of put it half hanging off the bottom of the nail, and then I use my silicone tool to rub them in. Make sure you rub them in quite well. Make sure you get all the edges, because you don't want to pull it off and then have to try and line it back up again for bits that you've missed. So yeah, just give them a good rub with your finger or a silicone tool, whatever you want, and then pull that film off and they should transfer. That McCart foil glue, if you're looking for a good foil glue, it's brilliant. It really is. It never misses anything. Not really. Very rare. And if it does miss something, it's normally because I've done it wrong. Right, so I'm going to get them pulled off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give the nails a top coat. The nails that I've painted the daisies on, because they're a little bit lumpy bumpy, them daisies are quite raised. And the middle nail, just to get them sealed in. And the nails with the daisies on, I'm going to give them a little bit of a buff just to smooth them out. And then we'll get these top coated and finished off. Right, I decided to go with a matte top coat. I just liked the look of those daisies nails after I buffed them and they looked matte. I like the look of them, so yeah, I'm going to give this set of nails a matte finish. I'm using Venalisa matte top coat. I really like it. It's my favourite top coat at the minute. So yeah, I'm going to get them matte top coated and they'll cure in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. And that'll be them finished. Okay guys, that's them finished. You'll have to let me know in the comments yet again, do you think matte or glossy? And another question I've got for you. I always moan at this point, don't I? The black nail. I'm not too sure about that black nail. I'm thinking maybe I should have put some bling on it to brighten it up, or maybe some daisies. I'm not sure. But I'm not moaning. I like the set. I like them in matte. I think they'd look nice in matte or glossy. Anyway guys, that's my morning over. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well, so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.